Good day, everyone. Today we will learn about direct variation. The objectives of these lessons are define direct variation, illustrate direct variation, and write the equation of direct variation. What is direct variation? It is a relationship between two variables in which one is a constant multiple of the other. Mathematically, direct variation is defined as the value of y varies directly with the value of x if there exists a non-zero constant k such that y is equal to k times x, or equivalently y over x is equal to k. The constant k is called the constant of variation. In direct variation, if one variable increases, the other variable also increases. For example, the more apples you buy, the more money you pay for it. If one variable decreases, the other variable also decreases. For example, the lesser time you use Messenger, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media, the lesser internet load you pay. How to write the equation of a direct variation. Let's have these several examples to illustrate how to write the equation of direct variation. For example, write each direct proportion in equation form. Number 1, A varies directly as B. The equation for this is A is equal to KB, where K is the constant of variation. Number 2, C varies directly as the square of D. The equation for this one is C is equal to K D to the power of 2. D to the power of 2 represents the phrase the square of D. Let's have more examples. Let's have this number 3. Electric current I in amperes in an electric current varies directly as the voltage V. The equation for this also is I is equal to KV. The area of the circle is directly proportional to the square of its radius. The equation for this again is A is equal to KR squared. And lastly, number 5, the weight of an object on Mars is directly proportional to its weight B on Earth, where the equation for this statement is W is equal to KB. So I'll give you some time to answer these exercises and write your answer in your notebook. Number 1, direction. Write each proportion in equation form. Use K as the variation constant. Number 1, Y varies directly as X. Number 2, P is directly proportional to Q. Number 3, A varies directly as the square of B. And number 4, the rate R of bus that rolls down on a hill is directly proportional of time t it rolls. You have your time to answer these 4 exercises and write your answer in the equation form. Now, let's try to check your answers. Number 1, the correct answer is y is equal to kx. Did you get the correct answer? Number 2, P is equal to KQ. Number 3, A is equal to KB to the power of 2. And number 4, R is equal to KT. Take note that in the 4 equations that you have, K is always present. Why? Because it represents the variation constant. How many of you got the 4 correct answer? Congratulations. See you the next time. God bless.